Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to another planner video. Can y'all believe it's August? I mean, I say that in every video, can we believe? Listen, this year is flying by. We are back from vacation. I'm just gonna get right into it. Before I start rambling, let's take a look at what we're using. So I will be using some printable stickers. I bought this planner kit from Etsy, and it's just a monthly kit. This is made for the Erin Condren size planner, so I'm hoping everything works out as far as the size is concerned, because we are planning in Happy Planner Classic size. I also got some printable clip art from Etsy, so I went ahead and printed that out. I love her. This is so pretty. And in August, we like to reset because it's before back to school. That's when we shop. That's when we kind of, try to go over what our schedule will be like for September through December. So yes, I decided to go with this nice green light planner color. And I printed this Relax from Microsoft Word. So yeah, this is what we'll be using for the month of August. We got back from vacation yesterday and I am exhausted. My husband too. We typically unpack right away. But this time around, y'all, we went right to bed. All right, I had to take a second because I just looked at the stickers and I forgot I'm gonna have to cut certain parts of it and switch around. Anyway, you'll see as I work. I was supposed to record this while out on vacation, but I don't know, it wasn't space to record. Then the tripod I brought along to do the recording it was broken, so we're just gonna, I'm gonna do it now. Let me see, I need something to cut this. All right, we're back. I had to get my straight edge tools. Yeah, so like I was saying, we got back and we were just plain exhausted, even Jackie. So we just kind of dropped all our luggage, showered, and took the longest nap ever. All right, there we go. And then put Wednesday over here. Let me lay the other one down first. Oh yeah, so we kind of just hopped right in bed after showering, and then we woke up much later and ordered ordered pizza for a late lunch / early dinner. Let's see. This is not centered properly. Let me move it over. Like, this has a larger header than the Happy Planner. Okay, that's good enough for me. Like that. And then Wednesday, like this. Yeah. All right, that's gonna have to do. And then I want to bring this one over here. So can it fit like this? Let's see. No, let's see. How could I do this? All right. All right, gang, so that's what we have so far. I'm going to straighten this up and see how this has that open space there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that just because this is hanging over. So I may adjust that. I'm not sure. But I'm not super chatty today, so we're going to do sort of a watch me work kind of video. Just so you guys can see what I come up with for August. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, I had to take a minute to get all these little pieces cut out. So now we will get started. I'm also gonna try to incorporate this black and white washi just because I think it'll look nicer against all this tropical green and whatnot. So anyway, like I said, this is just gonna be a watch me work. So without further ado, let's see what I come up with. right, gang, this is what I have for August. So I just put down some squares just to note some important things happening. For instance, this day is the last day of camp. Here is Juju's 18th birthday, my son. Probably gonna want to hang out with friends. Here I want to do a movie night. We haven't done one in a long time. Return to work here. I'm not sure why I put that square there. I'm probably got to look at my calendar. And then the 10th. I just remember certain dates. I'm not sure what's supposed to go there, but they're there. For me to write in whatever I need to. Shopping, just because we have to start school shopping. And so I kind of want to note whatever I need to get, such as uniform for Jackie. School supplies, I think she has enough of. So we'll figure that one out. I'll add to it as need be. School for me begins, my fall semester begins here. I'm returning to school, so I just want to make a note of that. And so here we have it. This is August, y'all. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you're tuned in, you'll hopefully you're catching up on my Disney vlogs. I still have 3 more to come out. Oh, that's what it is. Continue editing. Because I still have, I think, 3 more. And how was it 2 more? Hollywood Studios, and then the last day of Magic Kingdom. And here I have to download. Remember to download the Photo Pass pictures. You see? And here, I don't remember. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure. Anyway, I thank you guys for watching these videos. I do hope you're enjoying the Disney vlogs. We really, really enjoy vacation. I mean, it really is the happiest place on earth. They make every minute feel so magical. So anyway, this is August. We're going to reset. We're going to get ready. Just because when school starts, I don't like to be stressed out. So I like to have a whole month just to get ready. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.